First charge is he is in habit of attending the school in drunken conditions. First charge.
Yes.
Second, he is in habit of arriving school late. He has tampered the attendance register. He is in habit of disobeying the order of the school authority. He is in habit of being absent in school frequently.
Yes.
So at this stage, I cannot permit you. I could understand that before initiation of the proceedings, you would have come before this court.
But
now, when you are pitted against all odds,
yes.
you
No.
are coming for getting a permission to participate.
This channel does not promote any violence, harmful or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
He joined this school in the year 1991. 1991. Since then, the petitioner's service is unblemished. And due to stroke and other various ailments, my lord, the medical document is annexed with my petition from page number 35 onwards. He unable to join for few days, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, due to his ailment, reason might be something else, but due to ailment, my lord, he unable to do every job. So in this construct, my lord, one disciplinary proceeding is initiated. And now page number 64, my lord, that is up to charge sheet, my lord, issued by the board, my lord, which is annexed with my writ petition. But the main problem why this writ petition is preferred is because of the school not give the opportunity to join the school, to continue the school, even they not give the salary, my lord. Purpose of this writ petition, whatever the might be the disciplinary proceedings.
So you take the you take this point before the inquiry officer in support of relevant document that this is not an absence in own volition of the petitioner. Rather, petitioner was not permitted to join the post.
Yes, I made the representation, and thereafter,
since the charge sheet has been issued,
yes, madam,
then there will be an inquiry.
Yes.
So before the inquiry officer, you take these points.
I take this point, my lord. Because of that, that's why, my lord, kindly take, my lord, the education manual.
No, the charge sheet has already been issued. Whether the inquiry has been held by appointing inquiry officer.
Yes.
When inquiry was held.
My lord, kindly take page number 65.
Please tell me the date of inquiry.
Yes, just a moment. 6/12/2024.
That cannot be, because come to page 64.
This is the preliminary.
Yes.
Oh, sorry, my lord.
Connection with the whether inquiry was held.
That not yet held.
So therefore, you take these points before the inquiry officer.
My lord, but point is that, my lord, I am a group D staff, my lord. I not get salary since January 2025.
At this stage, when the charge sheet has been initiated, how I can permit you?
So, my lord, charge sheet is initiated, but my lord, there is a provision in the rule. If I am suspended, let's take action. Then I will get the subsistence allowance. Or because there is no such suspension, as per my instruction is concerned, no suspension, then give the opportunity to.
Who is appearing for the school authority?
As per instruction of the DI, my lord, the 2 months salary has been held up.
Who petitioner is not coming to the school, or you are not allowing?
He is not regularly coming, my lord.
But I am not allowed. That's why I prefer the. Even I.
First charge is he is in habit of attending the school in drunken conditions. First charge.
Yes.
Second, he is in habit of arriving school late. He has tampered the attendance register. He is in habit of disobeying the order of the school authority. He is in habit of being absent in school frequently.
Yes.
So at this stage, I cannot permit you. I could understand that before initiation of the proceedings, you would have come before this court. But now, when you are pitted against all odds,
yes,
no, coming for getting a permission to participate.
As per the rules, Malad, because the legislative intention is the main thing, Malad. As per the rule, they might suspend me. They might take any action. But the point
do
is
not
that
come. It's a question. Read court will not consider it. Because whether you are not coming to the school or you are prevented from entering into the school.
Prevented.
Who will consider? It's a factual issue.
Yes.
So therefore, disciplinary proceeding is required. Inquiry is to be conducted.
Yes, I admit. Sure. But I admit. But the point is that, Malad, that he will get the salary and
the nature of charges at this stage. A court will not.
Malad, the point is that, Malad, whether I will get the salary during the. Even they might take action as a suspension, because in Rule 6 there is they may give the subsistence allowance. or you take action as soon as possible. But my lord, I am not getting
Yes,
the
you are
salary. I am
entitled to
approved
get
this stuff
salary
as
in accordance
slim
with
pay.
law. In
According-
accordance with law,
Yes.
if you have leave
Yes,
as per your leave
yes,
statement,
yes. I
and
am
if all the leave, all leave is exhausted, then you are not
yes,
entitled.
yes. But I want to join this, my lord, because
File your affidavit of service.
yes, yes.
At this stage, it is too late in the day.
My lord, the point is that one he
Uh,
approved this stuff, my lord.
um,
He came there.
Affidavit of
after the
service filed on behalf of the petitioner is
kindly
taken
take
on
the
the
charge sheet.
next paragraph.
18th February 2025.
Petitioner being Group D staff of Vivekananda Vidyaniketan within bracket Junior High School, close bracket, South 24 Parganas, has prayed for a direction which would permit the petitioner to join the post and function as Group D as Group D staff. Stop. It is also submitted that petitioner has not been formally suspended by the concerned authority of West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. Therefore, he is entitled to receive salary, which is not being paid by the respondent authorities. Next paragraph. Next paragraph. Submission made on behalf of the petitioner is disputed by the learned advocate representing the said school authority. ওই ওপরে না herein after referred to said school করে দেবে। By the said school authority. Stop. It is submitted that petitioner is habitual absentee and there was no prevention by the school authority which there is no prevention by the school authority. Therefore, it was open to the petitioner to work as Group D staff of the school. So, considering habitual absence of the petitioner, a charge sheet has been issued by the concerned authority of the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education on 18th February 2025 in contemplation of disciplinary proceedings. Stop. Next paragraph. Ms. Bhattacharjee, learned advocate representing West Bengal Board of Secondary Education, submits soon steps would be taken to conclude the proceedings by holding inquiry. Next paragraph. Having considered the respective submissions made on behalf of the parties, this court finds, since there is no formal order of suspension issued against the petitioner, a petitioner shall be at leave to resume duty as Group D staff of the school pending final outcome of the disciplinary proceedings. If petitioner comes to school and wants to work, said school authority is directed to permit the petitioner stop. Respondent authorities are also directed to pay salary of the petitioner if same is payable in accordance with law. Next paragraph. Concerned authority of West Bengal Board of Secondary Education is directed to conclude disciplinary proceedings at an early date, but not later than 6 months from the date of communication of this order. Next paragraph. Writ petition stands disposed of urgently.
But just one, because the allegation is there, I dispute the fact. Just one.
I have not stated any. I have not recorded in the charge sheet. Only I've stated
Yes.
habitual absenteeism.
The first one is that whenever I dispute the fact.
Yes, yes. Next matter.
Get extremely.